Hey guys, thanks for checking into the Rocky Ridge Auto channel. Today I'm showing you our 2023 Ford Transit key fob. Key fob is dead, battery died, needs replaced. Does still start the car, it has a transponder that talks to the ignition, but the door unlock feature does not work with the remote feature. So, without further ado, show you how to pop this open. And basically, I don't know if you can see here, you just want to kind of press up to release this back panel here. It's really on there, so you just have to kind of get it started. Once you have it started, it pops open. There we go. And then the next thing, you're gonna want to remove this green circuit board where the battery is in. Reason being, because you can't take the battery out in the current position. So we'll just remove this like so. So this motherboard is where all the activity work. Here's your buttons here, circuitry, circuit board. But I don't want to bore you with that. That's just what that looks like. So we'll push this out ever so slightly to make sure we do not damage the circuit board, of course. There we go. Take note of how the remote is placed. You've got the positive side up, so we'll take the new battery, pop it in there. This is a very important step. Get rid of the old battery, and then we're going to pop it back in. There's a little notch for this. It's got to fit back in just exactly the same way. Of course, there's only one way that's going to fit. And then pop it back on. Now the key will work. Easy as that. So please follow us for tips and tricks and regarding your automobile and other vehicles. And don't forget to subscribe and or follow us. Thank you very much.